Make a quick video talking about how to make friends as a mechanic in a shop. A couple little quick tips I can give you from personal experience. Let's say someone's having trouble, another technician's having trouble removing a rotor from a hub because it's excessively rusty. They're having a real bad day. You want to say something encouraging to them, like hit it with your purse. You know, they like that. That's like your standard mechanic. You know, what to say when someone's having trouble, you know, getting something off, you know, and they're using a hammer, let's say, a small hammer, it's not big enough, whatever the case, hit it with your purse. It's a classic. If someone else is doing any job, whether you've done it in the past or not, you want to make sure that if you're not doing it, that you explain to them that that's a really easy job, no matter what. That's a good way to let the person know that you're better than them, right? That you're a better mechanic than they are. So you want to just say, you want to say, those are pretty easy. I wish I was doing that job. Or that's a gravy job. You know, that's another just quick tip. I find it very encouraging. So, there are a couple quick examples of how to make friends at a shop as a mechanic. Yeah. Try them out. Let me know how it goes. Thanks.